It is just for a moment when you feel shyness or insecurity. It just takes only one courageous decision to take action, and afterwards, the whole game changes. You start to get control of your shyness. You remember it is not that much hard that you were assuming. It is all right to feel shaking inside. It is absolutely all right to feel nervous. It is absolutely all right to have fumbles in your talk. That is a route for you to become perfect in something, whether it is about public speaking, whether it is about any other thing that requires your inner courage, that requires you to expose yourself in your unfamiliar environment. Today, we were celebrating a small occasion at our workplace, and after the whole ceremony, the host called for some person to come and show their any talent on the stage. And I know that I have a talent to motivate people, to inspire people. It is just naturally happens whenever anybody comes to me, whether they are my friends or anyone. I always feel very keen to tell them something inspiring so that I can change their mindset. So it is kind of inherent thing in me. Along with that, I also like to write. So I had lot of things to share with people, to share with my colleagues, but my voice was kept telling me, just stop here. You are not perfect in it. You are just learning this process. What if you make any mistake? What if everyone start to laugh at you? It was throwing all the negative thoughts one by one. And that time I was aware that what's going on with me. It is always our minds games. It says don't jump into the uncomfortable situation. It always want to be in the safe place. I was aware about this game of my mind. I didn't think much since I am reading books. I am exposed. I am taking the exposure of different people's lifestyles who have achieved something in great, who have achieved something great in life. I kind of try to remember their words whenever I stuck in life. So that moment was the same moment for me. I remember, I recall everything that I have read. I dial back to my all learnings, and suddenly I got up and reached to the stage, and I just delivered my poem which I had written previously. And you won't believe, everybody gave me compliments afterwards. I didn't expect that my poem could be that much impactful for people. But when I got their compliments, then I realized that I am worthy for something. And that is not only a realization, that is a confidence which you gain after taking actions. And you won't feel any shyness afterwards. It will become a second nature for you. You will start to be comfortable in that state. And every time in any upcoming scenario, whenever you have to be present in front of people, or whenever you have to showcase anything, any talent to anyone, you will automatically feel motivation from inside to do that. You will not feel your shyness anymore. It is just a emotion of the moment. Until you won't take any action, it will not fade away. As they say, fear only exists until you turn around and see it. So, one by one, start to face your fears, face your shyness, your insecurities. That is the time when they will celebrate their end moment. Afterwards, you won't believe anything negative. And it is not about the one time. This feelings will happen every time with you. You will always feel behind. you will always feel unworthy, you will always feel incomplete. But if you have this awareness that it is just a moment, it is just a small trick that your mind is playing with you, which you can surpass very easily by taking action for that without thinking anymore. That day, your life get totally changed. Do not give any second thought. Just make countdown from 1 to 5 in your mind and suddenly take the action, and you will suddenly witness yourself be comfortable in the situation. So that is all I wanted to share with you today. I hope you gained something, and I wish that we all become a better person in your life. That is my motto behind recording these videos. If you like it, then please implement these things in your life, and always remember, we all have to be the change to see the change. Thank you.